Today we're going to be building one of our new staff favorite OTF knives. This is our 3-color Cryptek Cerakote. So we're going to put this together with a custom component package to give you guys an idea of what this looks like. The blade that we're using for today's demo is our Tonto serrated in the satin finish. For components, we are opting for blue titanium button, blue titanium trigger, glass breaker, blue titanium clip, and standard silver screws. What's really nice about this Cryptek pattern is it has splashes of gray, black, and silver in it. So any of those colors can be used in the components to customize it and make it look great. So this knife would look great with all black components. It would look great with all silver, with all blue, even all white. You could do any of those options or any mix of them, and it would fit perfectly on this knife. The final step here, you attach the breaker. And there you have it.